welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Ipsy versus Boxy for the month of July. All right guys, I'm gonna be starting with Boxycharm this month. Let's see what we got in here. Very excited that we got a card this month. I got variation 25 and I'm loving the theme. It's called Sunshine. So let's see what we got in here. All right, so first thing is the product that I actually chose. This is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and this is Watermelon Green Tea Pineapple. That sounds interesting. It says you mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or your serum, and it can be applied in the morning and the evening. As a serum, that's as a booster, and as a serum, you apply 3 drops directly to your face and neck after cleansing. Beautiful bottle. I love the packaging. Really pretty. And I want to see if it smells. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells really, really good. I'm so glad I chose this because I love the smell. It smells mostly like watermelon. So I'm loving the smell. So that's the first product, and that retails for $49.95, guys. Next product in here is from Beauty by Pop Sugar, and this is a metallic eyeshadow in the color You Glow, girl. This is what it looks like. You have to shake it well before you use, and it's kind of like a bronzy rose gold color. Let's give it a swatch on the hand. So there you go. Very nice. This retails for $23. It's pretty watery, but it's a pretty color. I like it. My kind of color. You guys know I love rose gold. Next thing in here is from Hourglass, and this is this is a brow micro sculpting pencil. We can always use brow pencils. It's really, really thin. On one end, it has your color, and on the other end, you have your spoolie, which I love. I love these products. I love trying all different kinds of brow products, and what I like about this one is that it's not like your typical pencil point. It's like kind of like a rectangle type of shape. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but I really like that. I like when they have like those unique little shapes to them. So I'm happy about that. Next thing in here is from Grace and Stella, and these are eye masks. I'm sorry if you guys hear my dog barking in the background. There's like no fixing that. This is the anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask, and they have 12 pairs in here. Let's open one up and kind of see. All right, so we've got 12 pairs of these. And according to this, this retails for $21. I've used these before, and I don't really know if I noticed too much of a huge change. But, you know, it is what it is. And the last thing in here is a palette, and this is a bronzer palette, and this is from Ace. I don't know if it's Beauty or Beauty, and it's called Bronson Paradise. Really pretty packaging. And this retails for $30, and these are, it has a beautiful mirror, like a nice size mirror, and these are your bronzer shades in there. I might do a giveaway with this or something like that along those lines, because I have a lot of bronzer palettes and I really don't want any more bronzer palettes. All right, so from Boxycharm, we got this bronzer palette, we got the liquid eyeshadow, we got this, which I'm excited about, the booster cream, the vitamin C cream. We got a brow pencil, and we got the Grace and Stella eye masks. So those are the 5 products for Boxycharm. All right, now we're gonna move on to our Ipsy. So the theme for Boxycharm is take a break. airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Now, my question is, I don't know if this tells us anything about the products. Like, for example, it says number 1, Petty Please, keck up your fave show and indulge in a sea salt foot soak to relieve your feet while you pick your next summer petty color. But I don't think we have that in here. So yeah, no, these are just like things you can do. I really don't like that they don't have a list of things anymore, because I don't know the retail price of things. And, you know, I like to go into all of that. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of upset at that. The first thing here is a brush. And this is the item that I picked. And it's from Complex Culture. And this is their contour brush. Their contour brush. And they seal it here like with this nice like taped up thing. I always like brushes. I'm always gonna like having brushes because I don't think you can ever have too many. And sometimes you don't want to clean all those brushes all the time. I've been trying to be more on top of that, but there's times where you're just like so tired and in a hurry or whatever it may be that you're not, you know, gonna be on top of that. So the more the merrier. So this is what this line looks like. It's very, very pretty, like very classy. Like, I don't know what it is. I like it. It's gray with like gold. And this brush is like pretty cool. I love this. And it's kind of like fanned out. I had never seen a contour brush like this one. So I'm kind of liking this. Don't know what it retails for. Next item in here is from Ciate, and this is Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I'm so excited about this because I love anything watermelon. This looks amazing, a complete like full size. Let me see, I want to smell. Oh, and I love that it's a pump. I'm gonna pump some out. Smells amazing, like watermelon. So I'm excited about this. Very, very happy that I got that. I'm putting some on my hand. It's very soft. Like, oh, I love it. Like, I have so many primers now, guys. I never used to be into this, and now I like primers. So I'm happy that I got that. Next thing in here is from Awake, and this is the Glow Pill Super Serum. So, oh, this is so cute. This is what the bottle looks like. Super adorable. And this is, let's see, I'm going to read something on this. It says this is a daily dose of skin vitamins, and it is a skin hydrating vitamins in a serum, basically. So so you can use this in the AM and the PM, and the skin appears more balanced, hydrated, and smooth when you use it. It has pH 5.3, which is a blend of B3 and B5 and antioxidants. So this is great. I cannot wait to try this. Seriously. Very excited about this product as well. Next thing in here is from Nature's Cartel, and this is a shimmer lip gloss, and I think it's in the color Static, and this is very pretty. It just looks like a snowy type thing. It has glitter. Oh yeah, this is such a pretty topper. Wow, this is gorgeous. Very pretty topper. Wow, I like that. Well, it could be a topper or just on its own, I think. Very pretty. And last thing in here is a eye color, so like an eyeshadow from Il Makiage. And look how gorgeous this packaging is, and it's so heavy, guys. And look, this is in the color Newsflash, and you open it up like this. Super cute, and it's really, really heavy. This is heavy. And open it up like that. Very nice. Let's swatch this color. Wow. It's like a pretty bronzy, coppery type color. Not coppery, like, well, yeah, kind of coppery. Super pigmented. It's crazy. Look at that. Really pretty. All right, so for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we've got this eyeshadow from Il Makiage. We've got the lip gloss. We've got the hydrating primer, Watermelon. We've got this serum. And we've got the contour brush. And lastly, I always have to show you the little makeup bag that they include. The little makeup bag for this month is this one right here. It's kind of like, how do you call that material? Like it can get wet. I don't even know what that's called. But I think this is so cute. Do you see that little cute airplane? Like, that is just adorable. And I love, like, the color scheme. Like, I love all the colors together. The hot pink and the neon yellow and the teal and this beautiful purple. Like, I think they all go well together. I really, really love these colors together. I think they're gorgeous. So yeah, the bag is pretty cute. Not like my ultimate favorite, but I do like the color scheme and I do like the little airplane. So not a difficult choice this time, because for Boxycharm, I'm only excited about these two products. And for Ipsy, I'm excited about this, and this. So this month definitely goes to Ipsy, guys. July goes to Ipsy. You guys let me know what you guys think. I love doing these videos, you guys know. And I love you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which box you think won for this month. Of course, I'm repeating that because I already said that. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.